Toyota Prado or Hilux injector, non-start or black smoke after you start. What's going on? We carry out a quick test, apply pressure to the injector, and see one by one they're all leaking back under static leak test. Then we inspect the internal filter of the injector and found large amount of contamination in the filtration tube. Now it's time to pull the injectors apart and see what's really going on inside. We remove this valve plate out of the body and also the filtration tube. Later we're gonna change new one. Now, internal structure. 3 areas where this injector may be leaking. Number 1, if this valve plate surface has been worn out, it will cause large return leak. Number 2, if the surface of the body and the surface of the nozzle no longer flat against each other, it will cause a leak. Number 3, nozzle needle worn against the shell, it will also leak. Judging from my experience, this set of injector is leaking because of the valve plate. Let's look at it. This is the worn valve plate. Under microscopic camera, we see this. We can see the inner circle is no longer complete compared with the perfect one. This is what a perfect one looks like. The inner circle is complete to make a 100% seal. Let's fix it up. Obviously, we're gonna use new valve plate, but on top of that, we also will change the pistons, nozzle, cap, and recalibrate the injector. This is a comparison of the old piston versus the new piston. Now we hone the injector body, make sure that it matches with the new piston. Then we reassemble the injector together, including recalibrate the internal gaps. Finally, we put it onto the test bench and make sure the performance is up to spec. Special reminder for you. If you have this exact problem, that means your fuel system has been severely contaminated. You need to remove the rail to check for rust, sand, or metal filing contamination. Flush the tank, change fuel filter, and install a pre-filter. This stops water or large particles to go into the fuel system. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Tony. I will see you next time.